Today we're going to be taking a look at the angle grinder in Ozito's new power exchange range. This angle grinder runs off Ozito's 18-volt lithium-ion batteries. These batteries fit their new line of cordless tools, including their power and gardening tools. Looking around the box, we can just see some quick information about the tool and the features that it has. Inside the box you'll find the grinder, side handle, disc guard, wrench, metal grinding disc and manual. This grinder weighs 1.8 kilograms and has a maximum speed of 8,500 RPM. It uses 115mm grinding discs, which Ozito did include one of in the box for metal grinding. When you want to move the grinding guard, you don't need to go find any tools as it's toolless. To put it on, just line up these pins into the slits, put it on, slide it around and lock it on. There is a lever on the guard so you can easily undo and lock the guard into the position you want. Taking off the blade is also easy, as there is a spindle lock on the top of the grinder head that you can push in and then use the included wrench to take off the disc nut. As usual, you have 3 positions that the side handle can go into on the metal gear housing. You can use any of the 18-volt batteries with this grinder, however it is recommended that you use at least a 3Ah battery to get the best performance. When the battery is on the back, it balances out the grinder well. I'm using a 4Ah battery and it doesn't feel too heavy on the front or the back. When you hold this grinder in your hand, it is very comfortable to hold. Personally, my hands wrap pretty well around it and it has a good grip so it won't slip out of my hand. I can turn it on with one hand without much difficulty. Many grinder switches are hard to use, but the switch on this grinder is easy. You just slide it over and then push it up to turn it on, and then to turn it off just press down on the bottom of the switch. So far I haven't had any problems with it. When you do turn it on, it has a soft start so the grinder gets up to speed over about 3 seconds. This makes it feel much better in the hand as it doesn't have a sudden jolt when you turn it on like a normal 240-volt grinder. When you're cutting, if the blade gets pinched too hard, then the grinder will automatically shut off to prevent injury to yourself as well as preventing damage to the grinder. There is a 5-year warranty included with this tool, so if you have any problems just take it in your receipt back to Bunnings and they will sort it out for you. I hope this video has informed you about this grinder. There will hopefully be more videos to come about Ozito's power exchange range, as well as other things, so be sure to subscribe to get updates.